Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 laser engraver cutters. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get start with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Mafor Laser Engraving Machine. This engraver machine was produced with double-side open door. Opening the front and rear sides allows for any length. Driver type micro stepping motor, max speed, 1000 mm, second, resolution, 1000 dpi. It can work with most graphics design programs, such as CorelDRAW, AutoCAD, etc. This 100-watt CO2 laser engraver is being 400 mm work table up and down and featuring simple frame and elegant appearance. This laser engraving machine is used to engrave on wood, bamboo, plexiglass, crystal, leather, rubber, marble and glass and etc. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Lepra Laser Engraving Machine. Material ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene plastic, laser power 1000 MW, input voltage 100 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 Hz, output voltage 5 V, 2 amp. Made of high quality ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene plastic, durable not easy aging. Make sure the pick is in the mid of the engrave area. 5. Start engrave. Supporting systems Windows XP, 7, 8, 10. Supporting image format JPEG, JPG, PNG, BMP. Can carve wood, plastic, leather, etc. Please connect the engraver to computer before install the software, or the engraver will be unable to function correctly. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Orion Motor Tech Engraving Machine. Equipped with a DSP control system for CorelDRAW, AutoCAD, and other advanced software, this machine is compatible with Win 7, Win 8, Vista, XP and Win 2000. Advanced design for easy operation, a red dot pointer provides better visibility and shows the engraving location. USB connectivity and U-Flash disk supported. USB connectivity for easy observation from your computer. U-Flash disk for the machine will read files from memory stick. Precise running and long service life. Japan imported mainboard and chip can control the engraving precisely. Reading before ordering. The RID works, core laser software, included, controls the lasers set up from a variety of different packages. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Orion Motor Tech Cutter Engraver. 60-watt laser tube pre-installed. Large working area, 20 inch by 28 inch. Machine dimensions, 47.2 inch by 36.6 inch by 34.3 inch. Suitable to work on wood, bamboo, plexiglass, crystal, leather, rubber, marble, ceramics, tile, mylar, Delrin, melamine, paper, pressboard, matboard and more non-metal materials. Visible red dot pointer for better guidance. Higher resolution standard optics, no additional expensive lens packages needed. Aardworks, core laser software, included, controls this laser's settings from a wide range of software packages. Air compressor directs a constant stream of air to remove heat and combustible gases from the work area. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Orion Motor Tech 40 watt. Engraving/cutting area, 12 inch by 8 inch, laser power, 40 watt, engraving speed, 0 to 13.8 inch second, cutting speed, 0 to 1.38 inch second, operating temp, 32 to 113 Fahrenheit. This CO2 engraving, cutting machine will connect to a computer via a USB interface. Suitable for various materials, such as acrylic, plastics, bamboo piece, plexiglass, boulder, horns, leather, crystal, wood, organic plastic, paper, film, canvas, and other non-metal materials. Windows 10, 8, 7, 64 or 32-bit, XP, 2000 compatible, not compatible with iOS system. Software, Shenzouyi, included. Also compatible with CorelDRAW, not included. Japan imported mainboard and chip. Germany imported bearing and stepping belt delivers excellent precision with laser beam engraving technology. Please check the description for details and best price.